Hold on, baby. Woohoo! Something to chew on. Yay! Alright. Open it.
Okay, now let's open it.
Let's open it. Tear it open.
Wait for me. I have a humongous one. Oh! No way! No way!
What is it?
So cute!
Sweet.
No way! This is so awesome! Now I know what this heavy one was. This is what you got.
Kendall, flip it around. Try it the other side.
Let's do what you
Oh, there you go.
Let me help you here. Help? No? Wow! Baby stuff. And it even like doctor stuff, kind of. Look, you have your own
Kendall, what is it?
baby.
Oh, more.
Wow, I have
Diaper
the
and
love.
food and a phone and a bottle.
Wow, I have.
Toys.
This is a lot present for me. Look.
No, there's still more to come.
My plate is full. That can't.
Yeah.
Let's go.